Hey there, welcome back to A Better Tech, your trusted source for all things tech related. With over 30 years experience in consumer electronics and IT services, we're here to help you get the most out of all your devices. Today I'm going to talk to you about doing your own repairs on your computer or other electronics, and the risk that comes along with it. Imagine losing all your precious photos and important documents in a blink. Tempting as it is to save money by fixing your own computer, the risk might outweigh the benefits. What's the biggest risk? Data loss. One wrong move and you could accidentally delete or corrupt crucial files. Recovering lost data isn't just stressful, it can also be incredibly expensive, sometimes costing $1,000 or more. But that's not all. If you're not familiar with computer hardware, you might end up worsening the problem, causing more damage than you started with. You could accidentally dislodge components, create short circuits, or even damage the motherboard, making the situation far worse. Or you could accidentally damage the operating system or other software, causing the computer not to boot. Attempting your own repairs could also void your warranty, leaving you to bear the full cost of any further repairs. And let's not forget the security risk. Installing new software or drivers without proper knowledge could expose your computer to malware or viruses. So when should you seek professional help? If you're facing serious issues like a blue screen of death or significant data loss, it's best to consult a qualified technician. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to diagnose and resolve complex problems without causing further damage. Even though do-it-yourself computer repair can be tempting, it's essential to weigh the risk carefully. The potential for data loss and further damage should not be underestimated. If you're unsure about the complexity of the issue, it's often wiser to take your computer to a professional. At A Better Tech, we offer reliable and affordable computer repair services. Trust us to protect your data and keep your computer running smoothly. Contact us today to schedule a repair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be alerted to future videos.